Hey guys, welcome or welcome back to my YouTube channel. I know it's been a hot goddamn minute, child, but I'm back. And I'm finally introducing something I'm really passionate about, and that's my beautiful hair. I've just decided to introduce this part of my journey on YouTube with hair because I'm really passionate about it, and I think I can give you guys some tips, one or two over here, so that you can have the best hair of your life and all that, and you can know how to style natural hair, how to take care of it, and all that stuff. So yeah. Today I'm going to show you how I'm going to do this look. And before we continue, please like, comment, share, and most importantly, subscribe to my channel. Thank you, that means a lot. And today I'm going to show you how I'm going to do this simple, easy look just using 3 products, literally. I'm going to use gel, water, which has some treatment, and a comb. Literally, that's all I'm going to use. So I'm going to show you the products and then we can get straight into the video. So this is what I'm going to use. This is water with some leave-in treatment. I just used it around like yesterday. I made it yesterday, so I thought like there's no need of wasting. So this is an old spray bottle, so that's what you're going to use. I'm going to use this gel. This is a nice and lovely gel. I hope it is zooming. This is a nice and lovely gel. I think it works really well, especially with the texture of my hair, because my hair is hard. Do you know hard? Yeah, it works so well with my hair. And an Afro comb, if you feel like your hair needs a little bit of oil, then you can do so. But for me, I oiled my hair yesterday, and I don't think I need to oil it again. And besides, I'm really going to wash this hair anytime soon, like tomorrow or the day after tomorrow, so there's no need of applying oil. So yeah, we can now get into the tutorial. I look a little bit crusty, but you're going to fix that. So I'm going to take my spray bottle with water and treatment. You can use any treatment you feel like, and my gel. It's a nice and lovely gel, and your brush. Basically, that's all you need. So first of all, that's what we're starting with. You see, my hair is so thick and it takes a lot of concentration to actually do. That's why I'm doing a voiceover. So I think I'm gonna just split it into sections so that it is easier to work with. And as you can see, I'm just sectioning the front middle part and the back part, just because it's easier for me to work like that. It's easier for me to work that way, because where I'm designing it is at the front. The back, I can just do something very quick, which won't be as noticeable. So don't stress yourself, because it will be perfect at the end. I'm gonna go in with the water and the treatment combination. I just saturate my hair. Make sure your hair is really saturated with water, because without water, the gel won't be having any impact on your hair and it will just lead to breakage. So just saturate your whole entire head with water. I mean, okay, you can make things easier by just going into the shower head and literally putting your head in the shower head for like a few seconds. That will be easier, but for me, I just do that. So my hair became too much to handle, so I had to split it again into 2 sections. So after I've saturated my hair, I just detangle it using my Afro comb, and you be gentle while doing that, because we're trying to minimize breakage. So if you feel like your hair is a bit dry, you can continue adding water to your preference. Don't worry, it will dry out and it won't smell because it has treatment. Yeah. So I just continue detangling until I feel like my hair is okay. See, I've added more water because I felt like my hair is a bit dry. My hair is low porosity, so definitely I'll have to add the moisture. So after I've done that, I'll just massage it into my hair and I'll pick up my gel. I don't use much gel because one, gel dries out your hair and you're trying to minimize dryness. So just pick a small amount, an amount that can work with your hair. Just do that and apply it along the perimeter where your hair will be seen. You don't have to apply gel to the whole of your hair. That's wastage. After I've done that, I'll just brush it in my hair, and you can see already it's starting to sleek down, and that's what we're trying to achieve. That's how I normally do it, and you can see the water and gel combination is quite easy. Just brush it down, no stress, no nothing. And after that, you can just tie it with a headband. And then we went to the next section of hair, and I pretty much did the same thing. Y'all, I want you to see how slick down this thing looks. I mean, it's so flawless and it's so effortless. Just follow that same procedure, and trust me, you're going to love the results at the end. So after I'm done doing both sides, I'll just open the one I held with the headband. I have less headbands, that's why I'm working that this way. Otherwise, I would have done more sections, which will be kind of a lot of work, but it will be easier for me to manipulate because I have really thick hair. But for now, we just have to use what you have to use, what is there. So I'll just brush it. After I've combined the two parts, I'll continue brushing it until I feel it's sleek enough, and then I'll tie it with the same hairband. It looks from the behind, you see, it's just as simple as that. No stress, no nothing. So we'll just fluff out the ends while we're done with the whole hair, but I'm really loving the outcome. So now we're going ahead to do the front part. When I was doing my hair yesterday, I figured out that the middle part is really not at the middle, it's kind of more on the left side. So we're gonna remove that and we're gonna reconstruct the middle part again. So I'll just do basically the same procedure, but at this point, you see the hair sections are a bit smaller. And this is because my front hair is, I think, the thickest hair I have on my head, because my back is actually really okay to manipulate, but my front part I really have to work in sections. So that's why I'm doing it that way. So I'll just do the same procedure and I'll reconstruct the middle part, and then I'll show you how we will do about that. Is that right to say? I'm not even sure, but we're gonna do what we're gonna do at the end. A tip I wanna give you: make sure your middle part is in line with your nose. For me, it is normally a bit hard to manipulate because my face is really asymmetrical. But if you feel your face is really symmetrical, just line it with your nose and you're good to go. But for me, I have to do 1, 2, 3 things so that it can look like it's at the middle. We're done saturating our hair with gel. We're going to take a brush and just brush it to the side you want your hair to be. And for me, it is just sideways, and then we'll go and hold it back with another hairband. Yeah, as you can see, we've just applied the gel where it's needed, so there's no need of saturating your whole head with gel. So once you've done that, just brush it down until you feel like you're contented. Then after you're done, you can hold your hair with the headband. Imagine it's that simple, literally that simple. and your outcome will be so beautiful, y'all. I can't wait for y'all to see this. So I've taken my headband and I'm just slicking it down with my hair. Of course it won't be as perfect as now, but we're going to brush it through once you've tied again, just to make sure that the gel on the hair, the white substance of the gel is just close to not visible, because of course it will dry down and we won't see that white substance. So I'm going to take my brush, I'll just brush it through until I feel I'm contented. Look at the outcome. It's really pretty and I'm in love with how my hair looks. See, I'm brushing out my ends just to make it look more fluffy, because that's the look I'm aiming for. So I'll just brush it out until I feel like it's okay, I'm contented with that. And after I'm done, I mean, just look at it. It looks so pretty and I'm so happy I got to show you guys how you can achieve this look. After I'm done, I'm going to take a bandana or a headscarf, whatever you want to take. Just tie your hair down until it dries, maybe minimum 30 minutes, maximum 1 hour. Let it dry and then I'll come and show you the final look. I mean, this look is so giving. I could do it anytime, any day. So if you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. Make sure you share this content, make sure you subscribe, make sure you comment what you want me to do, and I'll be glad to give you more tutorials. So bye.